Hey there, folks. If you're a USAA member looking to add a driver to your insurance policy in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether it's for a new family member, a spouse, or a teen driver, this process is straightforward and can save you time and hassle. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps step by step, so you can get it done quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have your USAA login details ready. Start by opening the USAA website or app on your device. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Accounts section and select your auto insurance policy. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the Manage Policy or Policy Details option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Click on that, and you'll see a menu with various actions. Find and select Add a Driver, or something similar. USAA might have updated their interface for 2025, so keep an eye out for any new features like enhanced security prompts. Now, you'll need to enter the driver's information. This includes their full name, date of birth, driver's license number, and possibly their driving history. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. If the driver is under 25 or has a less than perfect record, you might need to provide additional details or documents, like a motor vehicle report. After filling out the form, review all the information carefully. USAA could ask for verification, such as uploading a photo ID or answering security questions. Once you're good to go, hit the Submit button. You'll get a confirmation email shortly, and any changes should take effect within a few business days. One quick tip. Always check for potential rate changes when adding a driver, as it could affect your premiums. If you're unsure about anything, reach out to USAA's customer support. They're super helpful. There you have it. Adding a driver to your USAA insurance in 2025 is easier than ever. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insurance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.